Hi everyone, welcome back. Today doing homework lesson 12, American T sound. Roll on. T at the beginning of a word or in a chassis syllable. 1. It took him 10 times to charge the telephone. 2. Stop touching test toes. Roll 2. In the middle of a word or in an unstressed syllable. Betty border beater. Better, butter. Border eater in a border. City. Eddies. Roll 3. At the end of a word is too hot. The letter again. He's getting fat. Is she a transsexual woman? What? Of course not. Roll 4. T after N. Interviewer. Internet. 20. International. Roll 5. T before N. She is certain that she had written an important letter. Certain, written, morning, important. Thank you very much. Bye bye.